Alrighty. How much time do we got? 27 minutes. Cool. Alrighty, we are installing a 48 to 12 volt. It's actually 51 volts technically. This is our plate. We're going to drop in. About to put the nuts, washers. These are recessed in, the 2 bolts right there, so I don't have to actually, you know, hold them. They are CA glued in there, and the hole I recessed halfway to go a little deeper, whatever you want to call it. I drilled it wider, just so the bolts set in there. Boom. Go. 1 and 2. Oh. You lost me nut. There's me nut. Let's see. Beautiful. Whoa. Hey. Alright, that's our inverter in. Now we're going to start cutting the dashboard. Fit the 2 5 1/4 there, and I got to make my panel that I'm going to wrap in vinyl. Be the next thing. We can install the JL amp right here. It's going to go back behind the radio where the MBT JL piece is going, so I'll show you how I have it laid out over here. This is basically what we're going to be going for. This. But I'm just going to make a new panel, 2 side pieces, then I'm going to wrap it all in carbon fiber vinyl. There's the old Bullfrog. Gotta say, the Kicker Connect app was not very user friendly, nor did it ever actually work for my Android phone, so I ended up running it out of the test bench to 3.5 millimeter. Using these guys, some barrels. Love having this test bench up here, but we're going to be doing an upgrade soon. Anyways, that is progress on the golf cart. And the next thing will be Chevelle. Figure out what's going on with it. Is a beauty. Have a great day.